Today I'm going to talk about something I got in the mail. I was asked by a company called victoriasmoon.com. That's their website, and I'll leave the link in the description below. This is a diamond painting. It's a 5D diamond painting. I don't know if what that means. I've never had a diamond painting. So I thought I would open it and we would see what's inside. I've unpackaged it because it was hard to get all the packaging out. And I think that's everything out of the box. Okay, so, oh, I see, okay. So this is, I know a little bit about them, not a lot. So this is the tool you use. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. Oh, I see, okay. I think this is where you put your colors. Like these are the beads that go on the painting itself. I don't want to take them all out because I haven't color coded them or anything yet. So I might zoom in a little bit here for you to see better. They're tiny. Tiny, 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 as you can see. And there are, I guess there's square ones and round ones for diamond painting it. I chose the round ones only because a friend of mine on YouTube does them, and she said the round ones were easier. So that's why I chose the round ones. This is what you put the beads in, and I think, well, I'm not sure. I think I'm looking for instructions. Okay, here's a number code. If you can see that, it's a number code. So I have to get them organized because those colors are very light. I mean, they don't mean anything to me on this sheet of paper. So on the side of it's got a code on the side, but I don't know if that means anything. But it comes with these tools, and I'm going to have to do a little investigation on YouTube to find out how these all work. Oh, I see. There's actually red ones or pink ones in this tool. I'm not sure if they dispense. So, yeah, I need to figure out how to do this. The image, I can't even show you the image. I can't close that right now. Oh, it just snapped together. Okay. All right. So this is how it looks. This is how I'm going to go way out now. Way out, way out, way out. As far out as I can go. It's big. It's really big. I think it's 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. But I'm not doing the whole background. I will insert an image here So that's what I'm going to do. I don't know how, I got to set it up somewhere. So I think I need to set it up someplace where it doesn't have to be moved. Because I think you're only peeling off a portion of this sticky at a time, you see? See what I mean? And wow. I think I'm going to need a magnifying glass. Anyways, that's kind of how it goes. I know there's a lot of people that have done them and love doing them. I'm just going to stick that up that end. I want to get these things all put back. So that is what came in the mail. And I think it's going to be a fun project. I want to keep everything together. Anyways, I won't keep you. Again, this is from victoriasmoon.com. And the link is in the description box below. So, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you later. Bye.